So in today's video, I'm going to go through around 7 different ways that you can use ChatGPT if you're looking to make money online as a complete beginner. And the reason why I decided to make this video today is because I've personally been using ChatGPT in so many different ways to help me with my online business. So I'm hoping that by the end of this video, you're going to be able to have some sort of understanding of exactly how you can use it when it comes to helping you with your own online business. So starting off with one of the first ways that you can use it, which is to create a lead magnet. And for those of you that don't know exactly what a lead magnet is, this is essentially what you're going to use when it comes to getting someone into your email list, because from there you're going to be able to now provide a lot of value to that person as well as market various different products or services. And one of the best lead magnets that you can create is an ebook. So for example, let's say if you're looking to create an Instagram theme page that's going to be centered around the law of attraction, manifesting and topics like that, you're going to be able to log into ChatGPT and first and foremost ask it to give you a couple different title ideas for the ebook that you're about to make. And once you've come across a title that stands out to you, you're then going to be able to ask it to write the entire ebook for you. And then from there, it's going to be a simple case of you copying all of the text, going over to something like Microsoft Word, pasting all of it, designing it how you want it to look, and then turning it into a PDF document. And if you wanted to get a cover for your ebook, you're going to be able to go over to Canva, design the cover for completely free, and just like that, you've got your ebook that you can use as a lead magnet. All right, so moving on to the second way that you can utilize the power of ChatGPT, which is by using it to help you with email marketing. So in my opinion, I would say that starting an email newsletter is one of the best ways that you can make money online, because you're going to be able to have direct communication with the people that are reading your emails. And ChatGPT is going to be able to help you with various different elements of this entire process. So one of the first ways that it can help you is to come up with an endless list of email ideas. So for example, let's say if I built up an email list of people that were interested in cryptocurrency, I'm going to be able to go onto it and ask it, can you give me 10 email ideas for an email list of people that are interested in cryptocurrency? And just like that, it's come back with all of these different results. And from here, I'm now going to be able to ask it to write me a 300, maybe 200 word email for all of these different results. And then it's going to be a simple case of me reading through it, making any adjustments that I want to make, and then copy and pasting it into my email marketing software, and then scheduling the emails for them to be sent out. And then maybe now and then I might want to put an affiliate link in them for me to be able to earn an affiliate commission. All right, so moving on to the third way that I've been using ChatGPT with my online business is to help me with product descriptions. So as you guys may or may not know, I've got various different e-commerce stores that I've been running for the past couple years. And with all of these different stores, I like to add brand new winning products on a consistent basis. And sometimes coming up with the best product description isn't always easy. And of course, you can just copy and paste it from your supplier's website, but you need to remember that every single person that's selling that exact same item is probably doing the exact same thing. So you may want to come up with a unique product description. So to give you an example of what I'm talking about, let's say if I was considering to dropship this particular men's hair clipper from AliExpress, one of the first things that I'll do is try and see if I'm going to be able to find a supplier that's selling it right now and they're also successful. Then what I'll do is just copy their description just like this, head back over to ChatGPT and ask it something along the lines of, can you rewrite my competitor's product description in a way that it's going to be unique to me, so that when it comes time for me to now list the product on my store, I'm going to be able to simply copy and paste all of this information so that I don't have to spend too much time trying to figure out exactly how to reword it myself, because I'm going to be able to do it within a matter of seconds. And this actually now brings me on to the next way that you can use ChatGPT with your online business, which is to come up with winning product ideas. So this is something that you can do whether you've got an e-commerce business or even if you've got an affiliate marketing business. You're going to be able to use ChatGPT to give you that spark when it comes to coming up with the next product that you might want to sell. So to give you an example of what I'm talking about when it comes to the e-commerce side of things, you can simply ask it something along the lines of, can you give me 10 winning product ideas for my e-commerce business that's going to give me the best chance of success? And as you can see on the screen now, it's going to be able to come back with all of these different products. And sometimes you may not be able to find a winning product from the first response, so you may want to ask it to give you 10 more winning product ideas. Then it's going to be a simple case of you going over to your product research software. So let's say if you was considering to sell on eBay, you may want to use something like Zeek Analytics just for you to double check the data to see if people are actually spending money on the item. And you're going to be able to do the exact same thing when it comes to coming up with ideas for which affiliate product is the best one to promote. All right, so on to the fifth way that you can use it, which is to help you when it comes to producing blog articles. So as you guys already know, I've got a brand new niche content website that I've recently started building. And on this website, I've got multiple different articles that I'm publishing on a regular basis. And the way that I use ChatGPT when it comes to this particular website that I'm running is that I use it when it comes to helping me with blog article ideas. And I also use it when it comes to the outline of the article that I'm about to write. Now, what some people are doing is that they're using it to write the entire article, and that isn't necessarily something that I would recommend because you're going to decrease your chances of you being ranked on the first page of Google. So what you can do in that case is that you can use it to write the entire article. Then what you can do is that you can just paste it into a Word document, make as many changes to it as you need to, switch some sentences around and write as much of it in your own words as possible. Then what you want to do is maybe go over to originality.ai because they're going to be able to let you know if your AI detection score is high so that you can go back, make as many changes that you need to before you actually post it on your blog website. Alright, so moving on to the next way that you can use ChatGPT to help you with your online business, specifically if you're running a YouTube channel, is to help you come up with video scripts. So let's say, for example, if you're running a channel that has something to do with cryptocurrency, you're going to be able to ask it, can you give me 10 video ideas? And out of all of the ideas it comes back with, you're going to be able to then ask it to give you a full script for a video that you want to make. So whether your channel is going to be posting YouTube shorts or even if it's going to be posting long form content, you're going to be able to utilize this powerful bot when it comes to giving you a script for whatever direction you're looking to go down. And in addition to all of that, you're also going to be able to use it when it comes to helping you with the actual YouTube video description. And once you've now got the script, you're going to be able to copy it just like this, head over to a software called InVideo, paste it in there just like that. And within a few minutes, you're going to be able to have a video that's ready for you to upload to your channel. And then from there, you're going to be able to use ChatGPT when it comes to coming up with title ideas, as well as coming up with the video description. And this actually now brings me on to the final way that I've been using ChatGPT to make money online, which is with something called ClickBank affiliate marketing with YouTube ads. And the way that this works is super simple. All you need to do is go over to ClickBank, find a trending affiliate offer that's currently doing really well. Then what you're going to do is create a really good video ad. But the way that ChatGPT is going to be able to help you with that is with the actual YouTube video ad script. Because just like with the method that I mentioned earlier, where I said that you can use it when it comes to coming up with a script for a regular YouTube video, you can also use it when it comes to writing a script for a 2-minute YouTube video ad. And of course, there's a lot more that goes into this particular process in terms of finding the best offer to promote, in terms of how to structure everything. But I recently made a video going through all of this information. So if you want to watch that video, I'm going to leave it right there. Make sure you check that out straight after this one because it's helped out so many people and I'm sure that it's going to help you out too. And if you want to sign up to my completely free email newsletter where twice a week, I'm going to send you out an email to help you with your online business, whether it's an email about doing Amazon FBA, dropshipping, selling on eBay, and of course doing affiliate marketing. Whatever the case is, you're going to receive an email from myself to help you on your money making journey. So if you want to sign up for that, make sure that you use the link in my description down below. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.